The editors here at Carsnew like the 2024 Honda Accord Type R because of its driver-friendly dynamics, comfortable ride, and sturdy build. Now, it appears that a new Accord is on the way for the 2024 model year, and spy photographs and teaser images show that it will have a more streamlined exterior design with thinner headlamps and a broader taillamp assembly. With the next-generation 2024 Honda Accord Type R lineup, we expect the hybrid powertrain to play a larger role, albeit it is unlikely to be the sole offering. The new model will almost certainly share the current model's turbocharged 1.5 and 2.0-liter gasoline engine options. We don't know much about the Accord's cabin yet. Still, suppose the recently updated Civic, Car-V, and Her-V models are any indicator. In that case, the Accord will have a dashboard with a honeycomb pattern and a freestanding rectangular infotainment display jutting above it. Hi, welcome to Carsnew. Before continuing to the video, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Honda has verified to C or D that the manufacture of the current generation Accord will end in 2024 and be replaced by a newly revamped model for the 2024 model year. Since the 2022 Honda Accord Type R will come out in the year's future, costs have yet to be known. Once Honda announces the price and details on the 2024 Accord standard and optional equipment, we'll revise this page and recommend a trim level. While the base model's 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder generates 192 horsepower, the top-of-the-line 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder produces 252 horsepower and is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic. The 2.0-liter engine produces a surge of power that can easily spin the front tires in first gear, while both engines are smooth operators. There is also a hybrid model, which features a gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors. The 2024 Honda Accord Type R's chassis is nicely adjusted, so it's fun to drive and responds well to aggressive cornering inputs. The light steering is appropriate for a vehicle in this class, although we wish it provided more feedback from the road. Still, it's tough to find fault with a leader who consistently delivers on expectations. The Accord's ride is well controlled but never rough, making it an excellent compromise between a sporty sedan and a family car. The V6 and naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines from the last era have been replaced by a pair of smaller turbo 4s in this iteration of the Accord, and the effects are largely favorable. In our highway fuel efficiency tests, both engines performed admirably. The Accord Touring 2.0T with the 10-speed automatic engine achieved 35 miles per gallon on our highway loop, above the EPA highway standards for which it was designed. Even compared to a 2018 Camry with a 301 horsepower V6 engine, which achieved 29 mpg in our tests, it performed admirably. The EPA estimates the Accord Hybrid's fuel economy to be 47 mpg. When compared to similar 2024 midsize sedans, the 2024 Honda Accord Type R's cabin provides more space for rear passengers. Honda's no-options trim structure leaves the driver with limited customization possibilities, yet every Accord still has nice upholstery and some frills. Features like heated and cooled front leather seats, heated back seats, and a head-up display are standard on the touring model, but even the cheapest option has some excellent features. Notable examples are Honda Automobile's sophisticated and comfortable fabric upholstery and other interior amenities. The Accord has 17 cubic feet of cargo space, which is the most in its class. The hybrid Accord doesn't lose cargo space because it has electric powertrain parts. All trim levels come with the 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The smartphone integration systems Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, in addition to Bluetooth and USB connectivity, are standard on all models. Even individuals who aren't particularly tech-savvy should be fine with using the system because of its speed, good looks, and ease of use. The XL model of the Honda Accord has a 10-speaker, 450-watt luxury audio system, while the base 4-speaker and upper 8-speaker systems are standard on the rest of the Accord lineup. The excellent 2024 Honda Accord Type R costs $26,485 and comes with a standard 8.0-inch touchscreen compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The hybrid Type R costs $27,685. We'd be happy with either, but the $32,805 added Ls for 5-watt stereo, leather seats, and smartphone-compatible wireless charging are enough to sway us. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you!